see our topic jobs and industries. Okay, we are talking about job, pekerjaan, and industries. If you want to talk about job, someone will give the question, what do you do, or what is your job? Okay, if someone give the question, what do you do, or what is your job? You can answer. Example, I'm in construction. Is it related to building? Or I'm in retail. Is it related to market? I'm in research and development. You can answer, I'm engineering. I'm in a food company. I'm in financial service related to banks. I'm in system analyst. Or I'm in IT, information technology, is related to computer. I'm in quality control and quality assurance. Or you can say I'm in plastics industry. Okay, this is the some answer. If someone give the question, what do you do, or what is your job? You can say I'm in research and development. I'm in quality control and quality assurance. Oke, digunakan subjeknya I'm. Nah, di mana beda in? I'm in. Next, your job. How about your job? It means what exactly do you do? What exactly do you do? Apa yang sebenarnya yang kamu kerjakan di pekerjaan? Example, let's see the picture. Picture number 1. I'm an engineer. I work for Foster and Partners. I work in a team that design buildings. Nah, dia seorang insinyur, maka dia bekerja I work for design building. Nah, ini exactly-nya pekerjaannya sebenarnya. And the second, I am a manager. I work for HSBC. I manage workers at a call center. A call center. Nah, HSBC ini merupakan salah satu bank dan perusahaan layanan keuangan terbesar di dunia. Nah, dia seorang manajer. Nah, maka pekerjaannya adalah manage. I am a manager. I manage workers at a call center. The next, I'm a salesman. I work for IBM. I sell computer to companies. IBM. IBM is my International Business Machine Corporation. Ini merupakan perusahaan Amerika Serikat yang memproduksi dan menjual perangkat keras dan perangkat lunak komputer. Nah, jobnya adalah salesman. Maka, what exactly the job? Sell computer or company. And the last picture, I'm buyer. I work for Walmart. I buy the product that we will to customer. Nah, Walmart ini merupakan perusahaan Amerika Serikat juga yang mengoperasikan jaringan department store. Nah, dia buyer, I'm buyer, maka exactly pekerjaannya adalah buy. Okay? If you talk about your job, what exactly do you do? I'm manager, maka dia manage. I'm buyer, maka dia buy. I'm a salesman, maka exactly pekerjaannya sell. I'm engineer, maka pekerjaan design building. Okay, how about place and department? Place berarti tempatnya. The question is, where do you work? Where do you work? You can say, I work in factory. Where do you work? You can say, I work in Paris. I work in an office. Where do you work? You can say, I work in a call center. Where do you work? You can say, I work in a lab. Where do you work? You can say at home. Where do you work? You can say on a construction site. And where do you work? You can say on an oil rig. Nah, di sini pekerjaan tempatnya di mana? Ada in, at, on. Nah, kalau in itu dia lebih general. Kalau on, more specific. Construction site. Construction site itu lokasi bangunan di mana. Kalau at, very specific. Nah, in itu general, on more specific. Kalau at, very specific. Department bagiannya. Place. Nah, ini tempatnya di mana dia bekerja. In a lab. Atau at home. In an office. Nah, di sini ada perbedaan N dan E. Put E in front of consonant sound. Nah, E itu jika dia berbunyi konsonan. Call, a call. In a call. In a lab. A contraction. Nah, jika dia berbunyi konsonan. Kalau N, put N in front of vowel sound. Nah, put N in front of vowel sound. Kalau N itu di depan yang berbunyi vowel, vokal. N office. N oil rigs. Nah, itu bedaan E dan N. Kalau E di depan konsonan yang bunyinya konsonan. Kalau N di depan vowel, vokal. Okay, let's see the grammarnya. Where does he? Where does she? Kalau they, where do they? Nah, ini kan present. He works, she works, they work. Nah, ini kan masih ingat. Kalau dia third singular, she, he. Nah, kita gunakan pakai S, verb kata kerjanya. S. Kalau they, you, we. Nah, ini tanpa ada S. This is the simple present. Departments. Department itu berarti bagian apa dia bekerja. Which department do you work in? Which department does he work in? Which department does she work in? Which department do they? Nah, ini kan do untuk you, they. Kalau does untuk he dan she. Nah, don't forget the third person as. In a simple present, for example, he works. Nah, maka dia pakai does. Let's see the example. I work in the production department. Nah, berarti dia the company product. She works in the training department. In the training berarti dia organize training course. They work in the sales department. Berarti dia sell the company product. Department bagian apa? Atau you can say I'm in production. She is in training. They are in sales. He is account. I am in human resources. She is in marketing. They are in research and development. He is finance. Nah, ini departmentnya berarti di bagian apa dia bekerja. Okay, next. We talk about skill. Skill is mean kemampuan, keahliannya. Let's see the picture. Nah, di sini ada Mary and Lee. Mary is very good with people. She is good with figure. She isn't very good with language. Lee Lee is very good with figure. He is good with computers. He isn't very good with people. Nah, very good and good we use in affirmative sentence. Nah, very good dan good ini kita gunakan dalam kalimat afirmatif. Kalimat afirmatif itu berarti kalimat berita yang digunakan untuk menyampaikan sesuatu. Kalau isn't very good, nah ini kita gunakan in negative sentence. Itu perbedaannya. Very good and good in affirmative sentence. Not very good kita gunakan in negative sentence. Oke. Nah, has people skills, doesn't have language skill. Has computer skill, doesn't have people. Nah, Mary also has very good. Nah, di bagian apa dia skillnya? Management skill, listening skill, presentation skill. Itu the detail, the skill of the Mary. Lee very good in problem solving skill, negotiating skill, language skill. Nah, ini jabaran atau penjelasan skillnya di bagian apa dia very good. Mary and Lee. Okay, we talk about skills and unskilled. Nah, work pekerjaannya terampil atau tidak terampil. Skills workers itu juga kita namakan specialist or experts. Kalau unskilled worker, nah dia itu berarti tidak membutuhkan keahlian. The example, here are some example of skilled worker. Example, teacher, secretary, nurse. Kalau dia yang unskilled worker, the example-nya cashier, cleaners, grocery desk. Nah, itu dia. Okay, there are 3 conversations. The first conversation talk about responsibilities. Example, so what exactly do you do in the company? I'm responsible for new product development. I report directly to the CEO. What does that involve? I supervise a team of designers. We all have to think of new ideas, test them, and develop the one that we think will success. It sounds challenge. Nah, ini percakapannya talk about responsibilities. Pekerjaannya bertanggung jawab di bagian apa? Berarti dia I'm responsible. Dia bertanggung jawab untuk new product development. I report directly to the CEO. The second conversation, let's see, is talk about qualification for the job. Kualifikasi jabatannya seperti apa? Apa tugas-tugasnya, tanggung jawabnya yang disyaratkan untuk jabatan tersebut. Okay, let's see. This conversation nah, dia qualification adalah I did a degree in engineering. Nah, dia tamatan engineering. I work in small software company in Helsinki. Nah, ini qualificationnya. Kualifikasi jabatannya. And the last conversation talk about financial reward. Is talk about money. Let's see this conversation. Okay, from the conversation, the financial rewardnya adalah we would normally pay 50,000 a year plus commission for a job. Nah, berarti bayarannya berapa? $50,000 per tahun plus commission. Nah, financial rewards ini berarti itu salaries. Okay. The last practice. Match the word number 1 until number 5 with definition. A until E. Berarti cocokkan kata nomor 1 sampai nomor 5 dengan definisinya dari A until E. Unskilled, desirable, skill, necessary, on the job. Nah, dicocokkan dengan definisinya. Skill, unskilled. Nah, unskilled itu mana definisinya? Needed, not requiring special training. Wanted but not needed, requiring special training or education. Happening while someone is at work. Dipilih. Kemudian desirable, A, B, C, D, or E. Skills, necessary, match. Oke, yuk tulis saja di kolom komentar.
Okay, I hope you understand about our topic today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.